kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, in this video series I will be teaching you on how to create a online music player app using Firebase in Android Studio. Alright guys, so I will also create the backend admin app for the song upload. So basically the admin will be able to upload the songs to the Firebase from his app, and then the the other app will, so the users will be able to see all the songs on his app. Alright, so I hope you understand the flow. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to show you a demo, and this is the part 1. And as you can see, I already have created the project. So we will start from scratch, and I will teach you how to use Firebase to create an online music player app. So basically we will try to display all the songs in our recycler view activity, and then we will play those songs. Alright, so I also implemented the gallery feature. So basically the admin will also be able to upload the images from his admin app. Then the other users of this app will be shown the gallery images which the admin will upload. Alright, so let me give you a demo first of all. So as you can see, I have this. So here you can see this is the admin app, and from here you can see there are three options: upload images, upload news, and upload songs. So first of all, let me show you the uh, on which the songs will be displayed and the images will be displayed. So it is the app which I created for my client, and here if you click on to chill out music, and there you can see the it is empty. Alright, then also if we go to gallery, and there you can see the gallery is also empty. So let me now open the admin app, and let's add upload a song. So here you can see the song name, and here we will try to song title we need to enter. So here we can say song number 1. Alright, and now here this is the button to upload the song. So I will click on upload song, and from there I can pick a song, or the you can say mp3 file. So here I will select this. So I will click on done, and there you can see the name of the mp3 file. And now if I will click on upload, so the images, the song will be uploaded to the Firebase database. So let me click on upload, and there you can see upload, please wait. And this is the progress bar on which it is showing that it is uploading to the Firebase database and Firebase storage. So now you can see that the upload is successful. So now if I go back to my app, and here we will be now able to see the file from our Firebase database. And now if I click on it, so now the song is playing. Alright guys, so in order to stop, there is a button of stop audio. So now the audio is stopped. So similarly there will be the multiple songs here, and now when the user will click on those buttons, so now the images the song will be played. Alright, similarly I added this for the gallery. So if you say me, I will upload and I will make the videos on online gallery app with backend feature also. Alright, so that was it. So let's go back to our Android Studio project. So okay guys, so I think that is enough for In this video I only had the motive to show you the demo of how the app will work, and to make you understand the flow of the app. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.